JQuery. So jQuery is a JavaScript library. jQuery is a JavaScript library, so which is written in JavaScript. Okay, which is written in JavaScript. So actually the definition is, so jQuery is a JavaScript library. Is a JavaScript library which contains collection of functions, collection of functions written in JavaScript. Okay, jQuery is a JavaScript library which contains collection of functions written in JavaScript. Okay, so the jQuery is a library. So this library contains collection of JavaScript functions. Okay, so that is called jQuery library. The purpose of jQuery is, jQuery is to make it much easier to use, to make much easier to use JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript on our websites. Okay, so to make much easier to use JavaScript on our websites. So what is the much easier to use JavaScript on our websites? Okay, so by using jQuery, so we can write less and do more. jQuery is lightweight, and write less and do more. Okay, write less and do more. So write less more is, we can reduce the code and we can increase the functionality. So jQuery is a fast and concise JavaScript library. And for example, to read the value from text box using JavaScript. Okay, to read value from text box. Okay, using JavaScript. Okay, we have to write like this. Okay, where text name equal to document.getElementById. Okay, so txt. Okay, first name. This is the text box ID. Okay, so finding the text box and reading the value from the text box using JavaScript. Using jQuery, okay, the simple statement is use dollar symbol, okay, dollar symbol and bracket hash txt first name, okay, and dot val method. Okay, this is the simple statement to read the value from text box. Okay, and this is the statement in JavaScript to read the value from text box. Okay, so this is the write less and do more functionality. Okay, we can decrease the code. Okay, we can write more functionality using JavaScript. So jQuery simplifies HTML document traversing, HTML document traversing, the document traversing and event handling and animations. Okay, and also Ajax. Okay, Ajax interactions for rapid web development. So difference between JavaScript and jQuery. Difference between JavaScript and jQuery. So difference between JavaScript and jQuery. So JavaScript is a scripting language. Okay, so JavaScript is a scripting language. Okay, scripting language, and it was designed for use within the web browser. Okay, it was designed to use within the web browser. Okay, within the web browser. And jQuery is simply a library of JavaScript code. jQuery is a specific library of JavaScript code. Okay, so JavaScript is used for interface interactions and slideshows and other interactive components. Okay, jQuery is a library. So this library contains number of JavaScript functions. Okay, these are the differences between JavaScript and jQuery. So the main features of jQuery is features of jQuery, HTML DOM traversing, HTML or DOM traversing, DOM manipulation, okay, DOM manipulation, and the second one is CSS manipulation, the CSS manipulation, and third one event methods, HTML event methods, the fourth one effects and animations, and the fifth one is Ajax. Okay, so using Ajax we can interact with the database okay, to read the data from the database or to insert the data into the database. Okay, by using Ajax you can connect with the database. So jQuery is the most popular and extendable framework, and JavaScript is the base for jQuery. Okay, so already we at this point we discussed it. Discussed uh, JavaScript is the base for remaining frameworks like jQuery, okay, AngularJS, Node.js, so like this. So we have a number of versions of jQuery available. Okay, we have a number of versions The versions available. The number of versions available. So, so we can download the JQuery library from jQuery.com. So jQuery.com. So we can download the jQuery library from jQuery.com, and here there are two versions available. Okay, one is the production version and the second one is development version. Okay, anyone we can download. Okay, production version available and the development version available. Okay, two versions of jQuery available. So anyone we can download. Okay, go to jQuery.com. So download jQuery. So the present version is 3.2.1. Okay, when you click on download button, so here you can find download the compressed production jQuery 3.2 version and download the uncompressed development version. Okay, so you can download any one. Okay, so either production or development, or we can use CDN also. Okay, so already hosted files, the latest version of jQuery hosted links. So if you open this Google CDN, Microsoft CDN, or CDN CDN, or JS Reverse CDN, so these four websites are providing the CDNs. Okay, jQuery CDN, content delivery network. CDN means content delivery network. So this website contains hosted jQuery libraries. Okay, directly we can use the link. Okay, script tag. Okay, so https ajax.googleaps.com, ajax lives jQuery 3.2 version and jQuery.min.js file. Okay, so in this Google server, so they are posted this library. Okay, so directly we can use this library from this Google APIs. Okay, so if you want to download jQuery library, you can download from here. Okay, so if you click on this link, it will download the file. Otherwise, you can use this script. Okay, these are called CDN, content delivery networks. So if you don't want to download the jQuery library, you can copy this script and paste this script tag in end of the body tag. So jQuery syntax. Okay, for JavaScript, no need to download any library. Okay, because JavaScript is based for all frameworks. So all browsers support JavaScript, but from jQuery we need to download the libraries for any framework. So jQuery syntax is, first of all we have to use dollar symbol. Okay, so this one is dollar symbol to define the jQuery. Okay, use dollar symbol to define jQuery, and the second point is selector. Okay, selector to select the HTML elements. HTML elements, and third one is action to be performed on HTML elements. Okay, to be performed on HTML elements. So the basic syntax is dollar symbol, and here is the selector. Okay, dot action. Okay, this is the method to be performed on the HTML elements. Okay, so already sample example is there. Okay, so dollar symbol, and this is the selector, and this is the action. Okay, dollar symbol define the jQuery, and the selector select the HTML element from the document, and this is the method. Okay, this method is used for read the value from the text boxes. Okay, this is the simple syntax for jQuery. So document dot ready event. Document dot ready event. Okay, ready event. So compulsory we have to use this document dot ready event. Okay, when you write the jQuery code. Okay, so this is to prevent any jQuery code from running before the document is finished loading. This is to prevent any jQuery code from running before the document is finished loading. Okay, so that we can so without using document ready event, okay, sometimes we will get some errors. Okay, to prevent that errors we need to use document ready event. Okay, until finish the loading. Okay, so after completely finishes the loading the form, the jQuery code will be executed. Okay, so document is fully loaded, so jQuery code will be executed. So for example, to hide the paragraph or to hide the button from the HTML document. Okay, so when you click on the button, for example, when you click on the button, so you want to hide the paragraph. Okay, okay, so first example is add HTML form, sample form. Okay, so in this HTML form, so first of all we have to use library. Okay, jQuery library. Okay, in the end of the body tag. Okay, and after that use button. Okay, button and id equal to btn. Okay, hide, and value equal to hide paragraph. Okay, and after that you can take one paragraph. So this paragraph contains some information. Okay, this paragraph contains this information. So when you click on this button, you want to hide this paragraph. Okay, so for this, use script tag. Okay, compulsory we have to use script tag to insert the jQuery code. Okay, for JavaScript also same. Here, first of all, dollar symbol and document. Okay, dot ready function. Okay, document or ready function. So this function is used to execute the jQuery code. Okay, execute the jQuery code after completely load the document. Okay, so we have to wait for the until the document is finished loading. So here, if you click on this button, we want to hide this paragraph. Dollar symbol and hash btn hide. Okay, so observe this. Like this CSS selectors. Okay, for CSS selectors also same. For ID selectors, we have to use hash symbol. Okay, so here also we have ID selectors, class selectors. Okay, so and element selectors. For ID selector, we have to use hash symbol. Okay, for class selectors, we have to use dot. For element selectors, directly we can use element name here. Okay, and dot. So here button, right? So when you click on the button, okay. So this click event, okay, binds the event handler to this button in the runtime. Okay, jQuery add this event to this button. Okay, find out this button by using ID and bind this event to this button in the runtime. So and after that, paragraph dot hide function. Okay, jQuery contains predefined hide function. This hide function hides the paragraph. Okay, this is the action. Okay, this is the selector. Okay, so all statements like this. This is the selector and this is the action. This is the selector, this is the action. Here also, the selector and this is the action. So now run this example. Okay, so when you click on this button, the paragraph will hide. So go to inspect element. So here you can find the paragraph. Okay, so style equal to display none property is applied. Okay, when you click on this button, CSS style property. Okay, CSS style display none property is applied. The meaning is hide method. Okay, hide method. Okay, internally applies this property, CSS property to hide the paragraph. Um, so once open this library in the browser, okay, so here you can find the hide method. Okay, So this is the hide method. From here to here, hide method. Okay, in JQuery library. So this is the hide method. Okay, and the show method also is there. Okay, so here is the show method. Okay, hide and show method. So this hide method internally applies CSS style property, display property. So for example, using JavaScript, okay, how we can hide this paragraph? Using JavaScript, compulsory we have to bind the click event. Okay, we have to use on click event. Okay, so my function. Okay, function. My function. Here, so when you click on this button, directly document are determined by ID. Determined by tag name also you can find out. Okay, paragraph, right? Tag name p dot style dot display equal to none. Okay, so directly the style property is applied. Okay, by using JavaScript we have to do this statement like this. Okay, but in jQuery this is the process to hide the paragraph. And no need to bind the event also. Okay, jQuery internally uh, bind this event handler to this button in runtime. So next, jQuery selectors. So jQuery selectors. So we have three types of number of selectors is there, but three is the most important selectors. Element selector, and second one is ID selector. Okay, same as CSS selectors. Okay, element selector, ID selector, and class selector. But and the number of selectors is there. Okay, number of selectors is there, but this three is base. Okay, so first of all, element selector. So element selector selects elements based on the element name. Selector selects elements based on the element okay, based on the element name. So already we have done this example. Okay, so this is the element selector. Okay, directly we are finding the element, okay, with the element name is p. Okay, this statement finds the all paragraphs in the document. Okay, to bind the to hide the particular paragraph, okay, we have to use id, okay, or class selector. So element selector finds out the all elements in the document and apply this action on the selected elements. And id selector, so the selector selects elements based on their id, okay, based on their id. Okay, id selector uses the id attribute of the html element. So this also, so we have done this example. Okay, so by using id, then so this statement, okay, select the element with id p1 in the html document. Okay, so for example we have two more paragraphs with id equal to p1. So all, for example we have three paragraphs, right? So this statement selects all three paragraphs also, because so id is same for all three paragraphs. Okay, this statement selects paragraphs with id p1 in the html document. So here also same. So when you click on this particular button only, okay, this statement will execute. Otherwise, it will not execute. Okay, so that here we use ID. Okay, so otherwise we can use class selector also. For example, class selector also same. Select elements based on their class name. For example, take one button, ID equal to btn2, value equal to hide div tag. Okay, type equal to button, right? So you can take one div tag also, and this div tag uh, contains some class, right? So we can write some CSS class for the div. Okay, so my div is the class name. Okay, background color, red color and text color. Okay, white color and padding 10 pixels. Margin 10 pixels and border 2 pixels solid. Okay, black and a height 200 pixels, width also 200 pixels. Okay, so this div contains some information. Okay, this is the information in div tag. Okay, so my div is the class. Okay, so when you click on this button, second button, so we want to hide this second div tag. So write like this, hash btn 2, okay, dot function, okay, dollar hash. Okay, so here we are selecting using class name. Okay, my div. Okay, my div dot hide. Okay, so by using class selector, we are finding the paragraph. Okay, so we are finding the div element. Okay, so div tag, and this div tag contains some classes, right? Okay, so when you click on this, okay, div tag is hidden. Okay, hide method internally applies style equal to dependent property. Okay, by using class selector, so we have to write like this. So here number of selectors is there. Okay, to select all elements in the document. To select all elements in HTML document. Okay, in HTML document. So we have to use like, okay, star dot, okay, hide. So here we can use any type of function. Okay, to select all elements in the HTML document. So we can write like this. So it will select all the elements in the document. Okay, for example, use star here. So when you click on the second button, okay, it will select all elements in the HTML document. Okay, including first button, second button, paragraph, and div tag also. Okay, everything so will hide in the document. Okay, so all elements are hidden. Okay, even header section and body section also is applied. Style equal to dependent property is applied. Okay, for all elements also applied dependent property. So this is the syntax to select all elements in the document. Um, to select current HTML element only. Okay, to select current HTML element. Okay, so we can use dollar symbol, uh, this dot hide. Okay, this dot hide. So this keyword specifies the current HTML element. Okay, which one you have selected, that element is only hide. So for example, second button. Okay, when you select, when you click on this button, okay, this button only, okay, this button only will be hide. We use this keyword. Okay, only particular button only hidden. Okay, so this is the this keyword example, and like this number of selectors is there. So when you click on this button, so here to select a div tag, okay, div dot my div, okay, div dot my div. So div element with class name my div, okay, will select and apply hide method in the HTML document. So without div tag with my class, okay, my div class, okay, this that div is not selected, okay, without class name my div. With the class name my div tags only select and hide. So here in this statement, div tag with the class name my div. So if the div tag with the class name my div, okay, can this div tag available. So when you click on this button, the particular div is hidden. Okay, div tag is hidden. Particular div tag is hidden. Uh, like uh, to find out the all selectors in JQuery, uh, so to find out the all selectors in JQuery selectors. Okay, JQuery selectors. So you can find that selectors here. Okay, so here number of selectors is there. Okay, dollar star symbol. So already this is completed, and ID selector, class selector, okay, element selector, and element with the class name. Okay, so those are mainly important selectors. Okay, you can learn remaining selectors from this link. Okay, here number of selectors is there. Okay, for every selector there is a separate meaning. Okay, the separate purpose is there for every selector. The next one is events in jQuery. Events in jQuery. So event nothing but a something. Okay. So if you want to export the Java jQuery code, then you click on the button. Okay. So in that scenario, we need the event. Okay, we need events to export the JavaScript jQuery function. So like um, so like JavaScript, we have number of events is there. Okay. Click event, double click event, mouse enter, mouse over, okay, mouse out, and on mouse move. So like that events, we have events in jQuery. Okay. So first of all, click event. Like in JavaScript, we have these events, dbl click. Okay, and the third one, mouse enter and mouse move. Okay, mouse leave. Okay, mouse leave and mouse down, mouse up. Okay, hover. So all these are events. Okay, so like in JavaScript, so we have a number of events is there. Okay, click event and the double click event. These are the sample. Okay, you can learn these events, okay, from jQuery events. jQuery event handling. Okay, intuitive response. We have jQuery events. Okay, bind event handler. Okay, event type, event data handlers. Okay, prevent default is default. Okay, bind off, hover, on. Okay, click and double click events. So all these are events. Okay, so already we have done this example. Okay, using click event. So like this click event, we have double click event also. DVL click event. Okay, when you double click on the button, this paragraph is hide. And focus and blur methods. Okay, focus and blur methods. Focus and blur methods. The focus method, okay, attach an event handler function to the HTML element. Okay, this function is executed when the form field is focused. So first one is focus. Okay, the focus method attach an event handler method attach an event handler attach an event handler function to the handler function to the element HTML element HTML form field. Okay, form field nothing but a text box. Okay, form field. The function is executed. The function is executed. So when the form field is focused, form field is focused. Okay, and blur. Okay, so blur method also. So blur method attach an event handler method event handler function into the HTML form field. Okay, This function is executed when the form field loses focus. This function is executed when the form field loses focus. Okay. So example on this focus and blur. Add one HTML form, focus and blur. For example, we have one text box, type equal to text box, text box, placeholder is the first name, id equal to txt name. Okay, so now you can copy the library. Okay, JQuery library, script, document dot ready event, ready function, and the next txt name dot focus function. Okay, so for focus, dollar symbol, this dot css. Okay, css is the predefined method to apply css properties to the html selected html elements. Okay, background color, okay, so background color, okay, so red color, okay. So now run this example. For id selector, hash symbol, okay. So when your cursor click on this text box, okay, click on the text box, the text box is focused. Okay, focused and blur, txt name dot blur, this dot css, then background color, then gray color. Okay, so here one more thing, so you can use flower bucket to insert the multiple properties. Okay, so white color, text color is white. So now run this example. So when our cursor is in text box, the text box is focused like this and text color is white. So when you our cursor, okay, when our cursor is click on outside of the text box. Okay, the text box is okay, focus is losses, okay, and blur event is expected. Okay, okay, when you click on outside of the text box, okay, gray color is applied because that is blur blur event. Okay, blur event exclude, okay, exclude whenever form field losses focus. The next one is hide and show methods. Hide and show methods. Okay, hide and show methods. So these methods are used to mm, these methods are used to hide or show the HTML elements. So for example, you want to hide the paragraph or any HTML element. So create one HTML form. Okay, hide and show. Okay. So when you click on the hide button, the paragraph will hide. So when you click on the show button, the paragraph will be displayed again. Okay, copy this library. So two buttons. So like this, you can take two buttons. Then btn one. Hide paragraph and show paragraph. Okay, two buttons. Take here one paragraph. This paragraph contains this information. Okay, so paragraph also ID P1. So when you click on the hide button, the paragraph will hide. Script tag, document are ready. btn1 dot click function. Okay, and dollar hash p1 dot hide. Okay, so like this, when you click on the second button, okay, then again paragraph is displayed. Dot show method. Show method will be show the hidden elements. Okay, so when you click on the first button, okay, shown elements are hidden. When you click on the second button, hidden elements are shown. Okay, hide paragraph and show paragraph. Okay, hide and show two buttons. Okay, so without using two buttons, okay, we can use only one single button instead of two buttons. You can use only one button. Okay, that is the toggle button. Okay, so that is toggle event. So that event works between hide and show. Type equal to button and value equal to toggle paragraph. Okay, and id equal to btn toggle. So when you click on this button, dash btn toggle dot click event. Okay, next dollar symbol hash p1 dot toggle method. Okay, this will works between hide and show. So hidden elements are shown and shown elements are hidden. Okay, when you click on this third button. Okay, only one button for hide and show. So shown elements are hidden when you click on this button, and hidden elements are shown when you click on this button. Okay, so like this we can use only one button to hide or show. Okay, hide or show the paragraph. So hide and show. Okay, so only one event, that is the toggle event, to works between hide and show methods. Okay, with the toggle method, so shown elements are hidden and hidden elements are shown.